My mom has always made deviled eggs for the holidays. When I was 4, we decided to upgrade them by making them rainbow. Here's what you'll need to create this easy and vibrant dish: a cutting board, bowls, 22 shellless hard-boiled eggs, vinegar, an egg holder or plate, a handheld mixer, Miracle Whip, mustard, sugar, paprika, another bowl for mixing, rosemary, capers, measuring cups and spoons, scissors, spatula, a knife, spoons, a piping bag with a tip, and food coloring. To start, take the same number of medium-sized bowls for the same number of colors you plan on using. Then, fill up the bowl with about 2 cups of water and an 1/8 cup of vinegar. After that, take your food coloring and squeeze it into the bowls and stir until colorful. After the water and vinegar mixture is dyed, set it aside and start cutting your eggs. You'll want to cut them vertically in half. Once all your eggs are cut, scoop or push out the egg yolks into an empty bowl. As you start taking out the egg yolks, place your egg halves into the colored water and let them sit. The longer they sit, the brighter they'll be. Patience pays off here. While the eggs are soaking, it's time to make the filling for the eggs. Take the bowl that already has the yolks in it, add 2 cups of Miracle Whip, 2 swirls of mustard, and a cup of sugar. Mix until smooth and fluffy. Taste testing is encouraged and expected. Once the eggs reach your perfect shade, take them out of the dye and let them dry completely for about 10 minutes. At this point, the egg should be dry and ready to be refilled. After your filling is fluffy, scoop the filling into a piping bag and pipe it into the egg halves. If they're a little messy, that's just proof they're homemade. When all the eggs are filled, it's time to season. Sprinkle with paprika and, if you're feeling fancy, add capers or rosemary, or any topping you love. These deviled eggs are colorful, nostalgic, and guaranteed to disappear faster than you can say, "I'll just have one."